kind of funny. A couple of weeks ago, someone asked me, she felt kind of bad for my children, that they weren't ever gonna learn how to work. And I just kind of chuckled and really respond to her question. Anybody that's lived on a boat would clearly know that's just a wild way of thinking. Living on a boat is so much work, and the kids are constantly working to keep it clean, and just docking, undocking, anchoring, putting the toys away, cleaning them up, putting them out. And so it's awesome, the things that the kids have learned how to do and how to take care of everything too. So big responsibility for them that I'm grateful for. Smile. Close your mouth. Look at that. This is all from the Wahoo.
From our fish.
We don't like Wahoo.
Feels like little bumps.
Yeah.
It's swollen a bit.
Up to here.
Nice.
Darn it. This little guy, so sad. Yeah, super uncomfortable for both of them. Right?
Yeah.
Sorry. Where are we going?
To the waterfall.
What's the name of it? We don't know. Mom, what's the name of the waterfall?
Carbet.
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 Alright. It's like they say it's a 45-minute walk. We're kind of on the west side of Martinique. A little bit to the north, I guess. Could be pretty. Alright, 45-minute walk. We've been trying to find the trailhead for 30. I think we found it now. There's several people up here. Everybody's confused. There's no markings. So hopefully we get there. Let's go.
We know we're on the right path. Where's Emerson? Are you catching lizards? Always.
They're pretty. We found the waterfall. So beautiful. Super fun. Me and Gina, we're not about to go down the slide. We're too old. When you get my age, it's not worth it. Super pretty. That's it. That's awesome. Ruby, how's the slide?
Good?
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Did it hurt your bum?
The last time I hit my bum very hard on a rock.
Yeah. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Good. Alrighty, today is a happy day. We're putting on our lazy bag, so it has been a pain in the butt. It always takes us probably 45 minutes to clean up the boat. It doesn't take that long to get it ready to go, but it takes forever. And so we're putting the lazy bag on, and obviously I shared about this, we're putting a UV cover on the sail bag as well, so we're excited. So this is the small reefing lines right here and then there. So scombroid poisoning from the fish from the Wahoo. We've learned, we think we just left it out. I'm trying to think, I guess it did take me quite a while to fillet it. We think it may have got too hot out on the deck as I was filleting it. We sailed for another 20 minutes and left it out, and so we think that's what happened. So that's what caused it. So it's the third day, and this guy is not in good shape.
Yeah.
Better.
So Ruby is not as bad, but We're sorry. We went to the pharmacy just barely, and the pharmacist there said to just take him to a doctor, that he wouldn't do anything. So there's a doctor right here at the marina that will be there first thing in the morning. So we'll go over there. Hopefully we can get it resolved. It's only supposed to last 1 to 2 days, but here we are 3 days later.
The Emerson started first.
What are you building?
I don't know.
The best one?
Yeah.
Well, they're all pretty ugly.
Yeah, this is the ugliest.
This is the ugliest? I'd probably say Emerson's.
Yeah. We are working to clean up. This is a pretty, that's Ruby. Ruby, can you not do that?
Alrighty, we just made some huge plans. We're super excited. We are going to continue, right now we're in Martinique, and we're going to continue to work our way around to the Bahamas. And about the 15th of June, we're actually going to head back to Utah for a couple of weeks and Ohio to go just check on life there. And then we're gonna have someone take our boat from somewhere in the Bahamas, maybe even Florida, up to Maine. So we are so pumped. It'll be so cool. We've kept thinking, how do we accomplish seeing the East Coast and make it a good experience for everybody? So we're gonna have someone take the boat up there for us and then spend a few weeks. My sister lives up in Portland area, so we'll be able to go see her and her family and hang out with them for a bit while we're up there, so that'll be fun too. So anyway, this morning we've just been watching. We've watched a few videos on Maine. It looks so cool. So we just got our Genoa back, and Owen and I are gonna, and hopefully Emerson, he's still snoozing a bit. We're gonna put the Genoa up, and hopefully the wind stays calm enough that we can get it up without any issues. So we're excited. We got the UV cover on it. I'd be super curious here within the next month. I'm probably gonna order new sails, and I'd be super curious to hear people's reviews on different brands. I've wondered, I think we're gonna end up using North sails, but not 100% sure. Their 3DI Endurance sail looks amazing, and I've met a few people that have it, and they give it just glowing reviews. So it'll be interesting to see what we end up with. So if you have any advice, thoughts, what direction we should go on that, I'd definitely appreciate it. So here's to putting up the Genoa. Careful not to hit that edge. So our lines for furling in the anchor and the windlass, all of our furling lines are right here, and if we don't take care, they get caught in there. It's a pain. So we destroyed one like 2 weeks after we put it in. So now we are putting it back together. We had to get a new line, and then we'll splice it together, and away we go. We just need to be careful now. Alright, so I finally got this pulled out. It takes forever.